Okay, it's a pleasure once again on this beautiful day that I'm talking to you once again, my dear learners. In today's lesson, I'm looking at primary 3, literacy 1, and the teacher is teacher DIdas Tumwesigye. This is our second lesson once again, and today we are going to look at germs. Okay, germs. We have been looking at germs in all the classes. Why do you wash our hands? To remove germs. Why do we to kill germs? Why do you boil water for drinking? To kill germs. Or boiling kills germs. Okay, so that's the reason why we are here. Now we are looking at germs, specifically as germs. My contacts are down. You can reach me in case of any assistance you may need from me. Okay, let's go direct to the lesson of today. Today I've told you we are looking at germs. G-E-R-M-S, germs. Okay, when we are talking about germs, we are talking about how can I call them? What are the germs? When we talk about germs, okay. So when we talk about germs, they are very small. You can call them tiny, small, living, okay, organisms which cause diseases. Now, we talk about germs, we talk about some small living organisms. We talk about something small and tiny, meaning that they are too small even not to be seen. They are too small to be seen by your eyes. Okay, you cannot see them with your naked eyes. You cannot look up and I'm looking at germs, they are there. No, you can't. That's why we say they are very small. Okay, but they cause germs. Okay, sorry, they cause diseases. Germs cause diseases. Now, when you look at these germs, we have said they are very small. They are so small. They are too small that they cannot be easily seen with our naked eyes. I've talked about that. Okay, naked eyes means use your eyes. You go and like the way you are looking at a picture, the way you are looking at something there with you. You're looking at environment. With these germs, you cannot see them. They are invisible with our eyes. Okay, so such germs, for us to see them, we need an instrument called a microscope. M-I-C-R-O-C-O-P-E, microscope. Let's spell it again. We are saying that you cannot see them with your naked eyes. So what do? I need to see them. If you want to see them, you have to use an instrument, a machine. It's called a microscope, as M-I-C-R-O-S-C-O-P-E, microscope. Okay, so a microscope is an instrument that is used to see tiny, too small organisms that cannot be easily seen with our naked eyes. Okay, here with me I have a diagram for a microscope, and that's how it looks like. They can draw it in your paper, and they say Name the instrument drawn above, and the answer is a microscope. It is commonly used by doctors in the hospitals. If you have ever managed to be in hospitals, in those laboratories, you will see doctors using them to see. Okay, where I've put my arrow here, that is where the doctor puts the eye, and they put the germs here in these two. There are some magnifying mirrors, glasses. There are some magnifying lenses here. Okay, they just make magnify. To magnify, it means they make them big. If they put them when they are very small, they will just change them to be a little bit bigger. So that's what a microscope is. That's how a microscope looks like. So a microscope is used to see small organisms that cannot be seen with our naked eyes. Okay, I've said mostly it is used by the lab technicians who work in hospital laboratories, and maybe any other laboratory if they want to see something bigger that was a little bit small. Let's look at the types of germs. Now, when you look at these germs, they have got mainly 3-4 types of germs. The first one, they are called the bacteria. The second ones, they are called the virus. The third one, they are called the protozoa. And last ones, we have got the fungi. Okay, these are the main ones. There are others, but these are the main ones. Okay, the main and the common ones. First, bacteria. 2, virus. 3, the protozoa. Then lastly, the fungi. Those are the 4 main examples or types of germs. Okay, let's go through again. The first one, bacterial, virus, protozoa, and fungi. Can be called the fungi, can be called the fungi. When it's one, it's a fungus. And there are many, they're called the fungi. Now, let's look at the diseases caused by bacteria to people. Diseases caused by bacteria to people. Okay, you have ever went to the hospital and they tell you that you saw what? I'm in the hospital, and they say, according to the why you are here, you have got some bacterial infections, meaning that you are suffering from a disease that may have been caused by a germ, and those germs are either a bacterium. Okay, so let's move on and look at the diseases which are caused by the bacteria germs. The first one, we have got tetanus. The second one, we have got dysentery. Another one, we have got tuberculosis. Okay, the other one was dysentery. Tetanus. T-E-T-A-N-U-S. Tetanus. Dysentery. D-Y-S-E-N-T-E-R-Y. Dysentery. Then tuberculosis. T-U-B-E-R-C-U-L-O-S-I-S. Tuberculosis. Then we have another one. It is syphilis. Okay, yeah. Let's look at other diseases. Let's look at those ones which are more caused by bacteria to people. Okay, we still have pneumonia. We still have gonorrhea. We still have whooping cough. We have cholera. We have diphtheria. Okay, then even we have the typhoid. you have even the typhoid. Okay, these are the some of the diseases which are caused by the bacteria. Okay. Okay, now let's look at those ones which are caused by the viruses. Okay, the first one is there, influenza. Some call it flu. I'm suffering from flu. Flu is a viral disease. Okay, influenza. Hey, we have got AIDS. Okay, AIDS is also a viral disease. It is caused by a virus. Okay, we have got Ebola. Ebola is also a viral disease. Okay, here I have my picture here. It is showing some lame people. I know all of us, we can identify that those people are lame, and the disease which causes that paralysis of the limbs and or the paralysis of the legs and arms, it is mainly what you call polio. It is polio. So my friends there, they are suffering from polio. It is also caused by a virus, and it is spread through drinking contaminated water. Okay, then we have got mumps. Mumps also is there. Then we have got yellow fever. Yellow fever is also there. Yellow fever is also there. Yellow fever is also there. So when you look at yellow fever, this one is spread by a mosquito, and it is also a viral infection. Let's move on and we look at some of diseases which are also caused by virus. We still have chicken pox. Are you seeing chicken pox? It's there. My boy is suffering from chicken pox. Chicken pox, or it can be called fowl pox or smallpox. Okay, that's it. It leaves some scars, as we are seeing them there on the skin, but for them they're a little bit bigger. We have got another viral infection or another viral disease, and it's called measles. Measles, as you can have a look at my picture here, it is for measles, this one here. Okay, yeah, the first one I wanted to, why I've put it two, I wanted us to compare. This one I've said it is for small pox or chicken pox. Okay, their scars are a little bit big, but not very many. Big, I see, you can see a little bit bigger. Let me see if I can get my my magnifier here. Okay, okay, I think you can see here. Okay, good, you can see they are not very many, but a little bit small. Okay, when you look at this one, they are very many but too small. Now this is real measles now. Okay, the other one was chicken pox. Don't try to confuse between don't confuse the two. Okay, thank you. I would like to say thank you for learning with me today. I've organized for you. The activity is there, as all of you are watching or you are seeing it from there. Please join our Google Classroom using the codes to access the notes and exercise using that code there, and log in into Google Classroom using that code, and you find activity when it has been placed there. Thank you. Thank you. I would like to say thank you for learning with us. Thanks for learning with me. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get the videos again. I would like to say bye-bye. As I sign out, we meet next time. I love you.